Hey, today is Tuesday. Uh, we will be discussing creating jobs from the customer center. And then we'll be also creating job contacts from the customer center. So you open up your Eagle Eye and it always brings you to the customer center. First, you would find your customer. And if you wanted to add a job, you come over in the middle part and you add a job or job 2, create a class with it, make it parking lot sweeping, click add job. So that's adding a job to a current customer. Then we're going to come over and we want to add, before we schedule it, add job information for street. Add in all the information regarding the job that would be necessary. Make sure you save it. If there's a contact name, make sure you put that in there with their contact. Make sure that all the information gets in. So contact name, contact phone number. Make sure it's saved. If there are any service instructions, you can add them in. And take pictures of lot when done. Add in your instructions, then we're going to schedule the job. We're going to put this on route OR01. We'll make it reoccurring Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then I'm going to say save schedule time, and now it is on the schedule. So that is adding a job to a current customer, adding the job contact information. You want to make sure that all the fields are inputted in here. The last part I didn't do was add a geofence. I'm going to save that for another time. The other way to go about this, let's add another job in. For job 3, it's parking lot. I'm going to add this in. So I've created this job. I'm going to go to service info. Let's say generate service agreement. We can see that some information is already in. We would choose the template. I'm going to say sweeping service agreement. Requesting person. Contact email. You input all this stuff in. So as you're going through and putting all this information in, we'll want the service address, so make sure you read what it is. Or street, city, state, and then put the phone numbers in. So save job information. So by clicking job information, this other stuff was customer information. So this job information, by clicking save job information, it's now going to be saved in the job info tab. And if we wanted to, we could export this service agreement. But I'm going to come over here and close this, and I'm going to go look at the job info. We'll see that the information here was populated in. If we wanted to add a new customer, test customer 3, add customer. and test job 4, add it in. We're going to go and add information here. Joe Smith works for many companies. Will be 3, 2, D, job address, 5, street. Should we get all that in? Click save. And we're going to come over here and schedule, so we'll put this on 001. We'll do this on Tuesday and Thursday. Save schedule. Now we've added the job, we've added the customer, we've added the job, we put them on the schedule, and we've added the job contact information. In this particular case, since I didn't have customer data, there is no customer contact, so we'd want to make sure we get the right customer contact. So we got to make sure we have the right street address. This would be the customer's street, not necessarily the job street. All right. Save that. Add a contact. Sure that they're put in. Customer contact. Add. Put in their title, phone number, any other pertinent information. Make sure you save it. And that is adding customer data. So we were talking about adding jobs. We added the job to the customer. We went and add job contact, and we scheduled the job. We also looked at using the generate service agreement to be able to pull this information in. We can see that the billing information is blank because I have not put in any of the billing information. If I did so right now, it would backfill in 7-8. Billing contact, this would be billing contact 1, city, telephone, 555. Come down here, save customer data. Get out of the generate service agreement. Now we've got our billing information that is stored here. So that is the way we would add a job, add job in contact information, schedule the job for a customer. We can create a new customer, schedule or create a job, add job contact, use the generate service agreement to look at the service proposal. Now the service proposal can be any use of format. We can see that this is that you can create templates here, so you could always create a template by clicking this button over here, create template. That'll be shown at a different session, but use this one and then it backfills the information. That is all for today. Have a great day.